everyone. We want to talk about Kigelia Africana for women. Kigelia Africana for women is not only when you use Kigelia Africana to enlarge your breast, no. You use Kigelia Africana to even prevent yourself from having breast lump, from having uterine lump, from having cancers of the intestine, and then cancers of having alimentary cancer. You also use Kigelia Africana to smoothen your skin. Not only that, to make yourself very happy, to prevent yourself from having problems of menopause. Because from the age of 35 and above, you may start developing that certain things, a kind of decline in hormonal functions. Hormones like the estradiol, hormones like the prolactin, the luteinizing hormones, the follicle stimulating, their functions in the system may start degenerating. So it corrects the hormones, brings them to normal, makes you wet, it makes you feel like as if you are a woman. You will not be having problem of frigidity, and then you use it to fight menopause. By the time you are using Kigelia Africana, in small bits, you wake up very strong. You fight over everyday palpitation. That is the palpitation you have as a result of menopause or premature ovarian failure or premature menopause. The one that you're not supposed to go into menopause at that time, but under normal circumstances, you're already going on with the symptoms that leads to that menopause. So by the use of these natural herbs in little quantities, for cases of this women affair, we refer you to using Kigelia. When you get Kigelia like this, you wash properly. You get dried into bits. It comes into dried form. You get other herbs. For women, you need other herbs to potentize it. After potentizing it, you now put them together, dry them together, sterilize them very well, put other herbs, and then put them into end products and use as a woman. You will see that even the signs that comes with menopause, like fainting all the time, or a kind of cobweb covering you, or fear, or your heart dying and waking up, or dizziness, all those signs associated with menopause will go. But that does not mean that you will not have menopause at all. No, your childbearing age can be prolonged to up to 52 plus of years if you are using natural herbs, because it will give you all the strength to go about your normal business. It will not allow you to be bedridden or crippled or suffer the opportunistic infections associated with menopause. So Kigelia Africana with other natural herbs are really very good in preventing women from having some of these problems that are deadly to their system. Because when some women have menopausal syndrome, they will think it is juju. They will have problems of mood swing. They will be very miserable and unhappy. Some will think they are having a diabolic attack or spiritual attack, when as a matter of fact, it's because there are decline in the hormones, decline in the activity of the hormones of their system. So my brothers and my sisters, natural herbs are very good. It will help you to see age as number and not count age and count what you have not been able to do within the age you are. So these are the end products of Kigelia Africana with other herbs. We also have other herbs for women. The herbs that make them look fresh, look young, be ageless, at least. For instance, you know, I'm above 60, heading to 70 by the grace of God. I thank God so far. That means using natural herbs is very, very good. My name is Dr. Ifeyinwa Celestina Ezeke of number 18 Chibuzo Close, Mebamu, Okoko, by Church Bus Stop or Mechanic Bus Stop, Lagos, Nigeria, West Africa. My phone numbers are 080 08033104752. You can follow us on YouTube channel. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp page, WhatsApp business page, and then enjoy yourself with natural herbs. Here we have a whole house of herbs. Others are still outstanding, coming up for you. We want to bring them into very good shape, very good packaging, which you will enjoy and be proud of, our Nigerian original products in nature. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this little period. These are some of our products, the Kigelia Africana plus other herbs. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.